So we start off today's video with another big chop transformation. She has her hair placed in a large braid. Stylist has the scissors, cuts the hair. And bam, beautiful classic effortless bob haircuts. Gorgeous. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, haircut ideas, options, and ideas that you can play around with this season. So if you've been thinking of shaking up your boring strands and you're in need of a major makeover, you've come to the right place. So here we have another bob haircut. Looks like she's getting some color as well. Wow, this is absolutely stunning. Kind of like a sandy blonde hair color shade. Beautiful tousled bob. Gorgeous. Next up, we have someone else who is going to be making a major chop. So far, it looks like she's going with like a mid-length cut. Nice little layer curtain bangs in the front. And it looks like her layers in the front do have a little bit of like a subtle highlight look to it. And then we have this bob haircut. Beautiful, classic, another chic, effortless bob. Looks like we have another classic bob style here. And if you guys follow this channel, you know that bobs are typically the go-to style for many women. It is a great look. And then we have someone here with curly hair. Wow. Absolutely breathtaking transformation into this blonde pixie style. She looks amazing. Such a gorgeous color too. Absolutely stunning. And then we have someone with the beautiful blonde and black pixie bob haircut, side swept bangs to help frame out the face. She really has a lot of volume within this cut. Especially in the crown area. This is absolutely beautiful. So much thickness and fullness to the hair. So it looks like someone has decided to go really short for this next one. Oh, she got an undercut. Beautiful undercut bob style. I love the texture that the stylist created as well. This is really pretty. So here we have a bob haircut. Followed by another tousled bob style. A beautiful pixie, loving the feathered bangs, lots of height and texture with this cut. And we have another bob. Pixie bob variation, beautiful blonde hair coloring. A longer bob with fangs. Another beautiful play on the pixie bob. So many different ways that you can wear your hair this season. Let us know which look was your favorite within today's video. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will of course see you in the next video.